How to fix Fantasy Premier League login problem. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. If you are facing issue to log in into your Fantasy Premier League, follow this quick and easy step. Starting off, check for the Wi-Fi connection, as this is the main problem why you could face such issue. If your Wi-Fi is acting super slow, you can switch into a cellular data or just enable your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. Try to log in into your FPL account once again. If it does not work still, head back from here. Press and hold onto FPL and head on to app info. From here, select on Force Stop and tap on OK. Go to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. This will fix any of the bug or the glitch issue. Tap open your Play Store or App Store. In the search bar, you need to search for your FPL application. If you find any of the update regarding the app, just tap on Update and leave your application for an update. If not, the last resort is to uninstall the application and reinstall it later. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.